guys, it is Thursday morning before we go to the racetrack. We are at the shop here. One of the guys that that stops in here for work all the time, Orlando, Ben, is just working on his truck. He's having an issue with a fuel filter, and I said, man, I'm gonna scare you. Let's go for a ride. Actually, I didn't say that. I said, hey, you want to ride in the cow? And he said, yeah. So let me back up off this hill, and we'll get Orlando to strap in here. Get a little heat in her, let it soak in. Got a little bit of heat. I was running around a little bit before. Make sure there's water in there, then we should be good to go. Yeah. Do I need a helmet? No, you should be all right. The helmet won't protect much on you, huh? Well, have you ever been in like a race car kind of thing? Just trucks?
Just trucks.
Here, let me loosen the things up for you real quick.
You know where the best straightaway around here is, don't you?
Oh, we're gonna do it in the corners.
Oh, we're gonna do it. Oh,
no, just wait.
Holy shit. All right.
Oh, holy
Oh man,
this is flat on your ass.
Yeah, you gotta sit down nice and low here.
Left side.
Hey, you gonna let everybody on the
One
channel?
down, one down right here.
Everybody on the channel know you got Tom Selleck in the car with you.
Yeah, we're giving Tom Selleck a ride today. Guys, don't be alarmed if his glasses change colors. He's just wearing transitions. Oh, look at that. Perfect fit, man.
Click right in, perfect. Yeah, that's how you release it right there.
Yeah, that's your quick release.
Yeah, hold on. Don't mean to be grabbing your
Yeah,
crotch.
right.
There you go.
Alright, now click the
That's
top
it.
ones in. They just click in.
Ben, you want to run and grab him that neck brace? No.
Alright, now you're in. So
I'm covered under Chris's
if you
insurance,
need to
okay?
loosen up anything, you can just pull straight up on those red things. If
I got
it's
you.
too tight.
When's the last time you had a bowel movement?
Alright,
This morning.
We're just gonna open the bottle right out the gate. All right,
Holy shit.
so we'll just go for a little cruise right down there a little bit, and then back up the road, and
Alright,
nothing too crazy here.
that works.
That's good. What's the fastest car you've been in?
The fastest car I've ever been in was a Diablo. That was down in Florida. My uncle had one, but he drove like an old man. Oh yeah, I like that.
We'll rip you right up. So I'm not even gonna waste time with you. We're just gonna turn it right up to about
Yeah, man.
1,000 horsepower.
Okay.
I feel like 700. You ain't even trying to mess with
it's
that.
all good. Just don't put me in that graveyard before it's...
We'll try not to.
Okay. Damn, that was good. Damn, that was good.
Now we got a little heat in the tires, so they should hook up. How'd that feel?
That felt awesome, man. That was cool as shit.
The taste, dude. I got a little computer in there that you can turn up the boost on the fly. I can't turn it all the way up. It's a little too much for the street, but
Right.
that's probably about 900 horsepower.
sweet, Chris. I like that.
You have to see the burnout I just laid.
Man, that's fucking sweet, dude.
I just ripped a dinger that would make anyone proud. I foot braked it in high gear and it just lit him up, and I was like, we're riding. Orlando's over here screaming like a girl. He's got his arm out the window.
Ah, let me out! Hell yeah, man.
We need to do a video. We need to do a video of Orlando getting out.
Oh, shit!
Was it one?
Man, that's awesome, dude.
Alright guys, so there you have it. That is a quick little ride in the Cow. I try not to do that too much. Try to keep everything on the track there, but we did everything on a nice private closed road, so everything was good to go. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you win the LS Nasty Experience, you're probably going to experience that. So go down and get your LS Nasty Experience tickets ASAP, and you know you don't want to miss out on that. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's upload.